Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can efficiently export a part of a clip on CapCut PC. So for instance, you have this video and you only want to export this part of the video. Select the clip you want to export, right click, and then you're just going to select range and then select an area by clip. And then just export, and it's going to only export that part. And that's it. Here, I'll show you again. As you can see, it's only 2 seconds long, and the video is actually around 4-5 seconds, and I only exported it this much because I only selected this area. Again, just export it, and you'll only have that part of the clip exported. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!